Alright, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is probably going to be like the fastest mod video you're going to see for the Blazer. So you guys know I have carbon fiber trim pieces inside the car. I've wrapped the roof previously, and for today's video we're going to go ahead and wrap up our fuel door in a nice carbon fiber finish. Thanks to our friends over at Vinyl Frog for setting this out. I had some leftover pieces from my Honda. I wrapped the hood of that car. Came out crazy good. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start adding carbon fiber on the exterior here. So I do have some plans, but for today we're just gonna go ahead and do our fuel door. I think it's gonna come out pretty nice. So let's go ahead and do a quick down and dirty and see what it looks like. Here is our fuel door as it stands. Paint matched white with the rest of the car. So let's go ahead and give this a nice little clean. I just have some little car detailer. Just wipe down the surface. Just want to make sure it's nice clean. That way it doesn't stand out in the wrap, because it will. The smallest little pieces will stand out in the wrap. So now that that's a nice clean surface, let's go ahead and get started. So here's the wrap itself. As you guys can see, it's like a 3D gloss black. Pretty nice. So I already have a cutout piece. You want it bigger than where you're going to, obviously. So right there, that's a pretty good size. Alright, next up we're going to grab our squeegee and a heat gun. Alright, as you guys can tell, that conformed to the car pretty good. Looking really nice. So now you just want to go ahead and take a little straight edge knife, razor blade, and you want to cut on this outer diameter. Just go ahead and trace that around, and then we're going to go ahead and tuck it in around the fuel door and remove the excess, and we'll be done. You're going to seal the edge with heat, and then you're going to tuck it in. This prevents from lifting up due to weather and all the other crazy stuff. So once you got it heated up, you're going to use your squeegee, and you're just going to go ahead and tuck it in. Last we got is just to peel off the excess. Looks pretty good. So I already did this off camera, but what you can do to ensure it doesn't lift up is when you pop open your gas cap, you can actually seal up the edges a little bit better. So that's what I did. I just took some heat to it again and kind of folded over itself. So it's got a nice good seal. Don't worry what I'm doing. What do you think?
No.
No?
It's so ugly.
I think it looks good.
Yeah, it's nice and smooth. It doesn't need to be there.
Alright, that is a wrap, literally. I think it looks good, and the best thing about wrap is if you do not like it, you can always just rip it right off. It's not paint. So yeah, definitely going to be different. I know it looks a little bit funny, and that's just because I'm not done with the carbon fiber ideas that I have. I have the parts on order. They'll be here pretty soon. So I think it'll all come together nicely. And like I said, if it doesn't, you can always remove it. So once again, just want to say huge shout out to Vinyl Frogs for setting out the vinyl. You guys are always amazing to work with. I'll leave their website down below so you guys can go ahead and check out all the different crazy colors that they have in stock. Maybe get some coming your way. But anyways, I just want to say thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns in regards to vinyl wrap, comment down below and I'll help address them for you guys. So other than that, I want to say thanks for watching. Never live your life in idle, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.